Today's topic in Microsoft Word is the paragraph setting. For that purpose, we need some paragraphs. I have a ready-made document for this. Let's see what can we do here. First of all, we have got bullets and numbering option. What is this for? For example, I have applied the bullet styles over my text. Here you can see I'm going to remove that bullet style by selecting text and clicking none. We need some more text, so I've copied these lines and pasted. Now we'll click bullets. Here we have beautiful bullet styles. We can choose any of them to show our data with bullets. If you want the bullet style of your own, for that purpose you will go to define a new bullet style. In this you can choose the symbol. For example, here I have many symbols. I'm going to place a star as a bullet. I will click the star button and click OK. Now you can see the stars with my text. If I want to apply my logo over here, what I will do, I'll go to define new bullet style and there is an option picture. I will choose picture of my logo. I'll go to work offline and click browse, and I have my logo in my D drive. This is our logo. I choose the logo. Now you can see my logo as a bullet. It looks much smaller, so we are going to replace it with another bullet. If you want to remove the bullet style, go to bullet style and click none. Next to that we have numbering styles. Here we have numeric numbers, Roman numbers, alphabetic numbers. You can choose any of the number styles and apply it to your text. If you don't want to apply the number style, just go to the same button and click none. In the similar way, if you want to create a custom number style of your own, you can do it by clicking define new number format. In this, first of all, choose the number style 1, 2, 3, Roman, small Roman, ABC, first, second, third, any of them. For example, I need the numbering with the small ABC, but at the end of each I need this symbol. I place the symbol of my own accord and click OK. Now I can apply this numbering style. If you don't need this, just go to numbers and click none. There is another numbering style also. Now we are going to choose that numbering style. What does it do? Let's see. This numbering style is about outline numbering. How can we apply it practically? For example, I'm going to choose we say computer is dash device. Now I'm going to apply this number style. This is outline number. it gives us the number I, the number 1. First of all, when I press enter, it will give the number 2. I don't need it to be 2. I pressed tab button. Now you can see that it is showing me A. Electronic device, electric device, mechanical device. Now I want to go back to write the second option for this, fill in the blanks. I will press shift and tab, shift and tab. It will go back to the number 2. MS Word is dash software. Number A, application, software. B, system, software. C, anti virus software. This is how we can make the blanks. So this was option outline, number, style, or multi-level numbering. You can choose more levels also here. You can go also further. Press enter, press tab. It will take you to the next numbering, next level of numbering. Okay. Next to that, we can see an option of increase indent and decrease indent. What is that? For example, we have typed some text over here. This text starts from the extreme left of my page, but this text starts from 1 inch distance from my left. I need this text to be on the same location. I will go to increase indent. It will take my text to the forward position. I will click decrease indent. It will take my text to the backward position. I can do it from here also. This is also indent. On my ruler, we can change the indentation of text, forward and indentation backward. Next to that, we can see the alignment of the text. Alignment, as this text is aligned to the left, we can align it to the center, we can align it to the right, and we can align justify. Left alignment, takes my text to the left of the page. Short key for left is Ctrl L, short key for center is Ctrl E, short key for right is Ctrl R, and short key for justify is Ctrl J. We can also see the line space option over here. Line space will place spacing between the lines. Now for official documents, we always use 1.5 inch, 1.5 lines with gap between two lines. And for notes and books, we use only one line space. You can choose the line space of your own choice. That I have now placed the line space of 3 lines, and you can see that my lines are much further from each other. Again, you can choose one line, it will go back to its original position. Next to that, you can see the shading option. Shading option places a background shade behind the selected text. Next to that, you can see the border and shading. Border and shading option is used to apply border and shading like I have applied here. First of all, I am going to remove that formatting. Now I am going to align it to the center of my page. I will choose the option font from here. I will choose the font size. Now I will choose the black color of shading. No, I will not choose shading from here. I am going to apply border and shading. In the border and shading, we have outside borders. This is the outside border. All borders, left border, right border, top border. You can choose any of these borders. But if you go to the last of this button, you will see border and shading. This is very interesting. These are the borders: box, shadow, and 3D. I am going to apply a shadow border with this border style, and I need the border color to be blue, and thickness of border is 1.5, 2.5, 3 points, 4.5, and 6 points. I am going to choose 4 points. Then shading. These are the shading colors. I am going to apply this shading. Now you can see a beautiful border and shading applied over my text. If you don't want border and shading, just select the text, go to the same button, border and shading, click none for the border, and in the shading choose no color and click OK. Border and shading will be removed. Next option is styles. Align the paragraphs, sorting. This is for nothing. Next option is show height. Show height will apply these paragraph marks. These paragraph marks are showing me where I have pressed enter and ended my paragraph. You can also see the dots between the words. These are representing the space. For example, I forgot the space here, it will not show me the dot. Now if I apply the space, it will show me the dot. These paragraph marks help us to align our text properly and to place the paragraph marking, spaces, enter properly. That's all for today. For the next class, we'll talk tomorrow.